Welcome, beautiful soul. Today we will cleanse and align your energy centers, bringing balance, clarity, and flow to your body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and breathe out. At the base of your spine, your root chakra glows a deep, grounding red. Feel it stabilize. Moving up to your sacral chakra, a warm, vibrant orange, awakening your creativity. Now your solar plexus, bright and golden, igniting your personal power. At your heart, a glowing green, expanding with every breath, opening to love. At your throat, a cool, calming blue, vibrating with your truth. At your third eye, a deep indigo, radiating insight and intuition. And at the crown of your head, a brilliant, pure white, violet light, connecting you to the divine. Repeat these affirmations. I am balanced. I am whole. My energy flows freely. I align with my higher self. Seeing all colours of the chakras now. And know that you are cleansed, aligned, shining brightly. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling energized, aligned and clear. Take a final deep breath in and breathe out. Bringing your awareness back to the room, gently opening your eyes when you're ready.